Hi my loves, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am making lemon pepper chicken wings. Are you excited? Cause I'm excited. Let's get started right now. I'm adding a little cornstarch. It adds a little crunch to the wings. After frying the wings, I started working on the sauce. After adding the lemon pepper seasoning and honey, I stir the sauce for 1 to 3 minutes before removing it from the heat. These wings was so delicious. I kept going back for more. You can enjoy this with some fries or pasta. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.